Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of that good stuff. My name is Alberto Rojas-Duran, and I am a graduate student at the University of San Diego. I just wanted to give a little rundown on one of my favorite applications that I like to use during my student teaching and in the classroom to support my kiddos. This is a website called Learning Ally, learningally.org. You could check it out. They have access to thousands and thousands of audiobooks, and this is something that has become one of my favorite tools to use because they have such a large assortment of books, and it gives my students a break. It allows them to use their application on their phone and listen to audiobooks from their phone. They don't have to be in front of their computer screen. So it's an awesome, awesome application. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do in order to get familiar with this. Your first things first, your school will have to create a teacher account for you. So once they have done that, you will have access to this page, and I'm going to log in here just so you can see what that process will be like once you're all set up. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do normally is I'm going to check what audiobooks are available. So by clicking on Browse Audiobooks, I can select books by Lexile level, by grade, by subject, by category, anything I could basically imagine. I can search in this bar. One of the books that we're reading right now is Trevor Noah's. If I click on Manage Audiobooks, you can see it here. Born a Crime, Stories from a South African Childhood. So by searching for books here, I can add them to my list where I will manage them here on the Manage Audiobooks. So the three books that my students are reading are Seed Folks, Happier, and Born a Crime. In order to find my students, I need to actually add them. So what you will do is you will click on Manage Students. You will click on Add an Individual Student, and you will basically have to create an account for them just like your school did for you as a teacher. You will have to create a student account for them. So you will type in a username, the school ID number, their school, their grade, all their information that is required with the little asterisk. You will click submit, and then you will then share that information with your student. um, Once they are on that, if I scroll down, um, you can then filter by school, filter by district. So I will filter this as an example, go through the process. I I'm working with 12th graders, and you can see that right here on the side it says minus my students. This will actually eliminate them from my list. So if I do that to this student, he is now off my list. But when they are not on your list, it'll be purple and it'll be a plus sign. So I'll just add that student back to my list. And when I go to manage their audiobooks, I can see Born a Crime. If I click on it, there we go. I can add it to a bookshelf. When I add it to a bookshelf, it gives me the option to add the book for a student onto their account. So whenever they log on their phone, they can listen to it on the go or in the classroom, as opposed to having the text in front of them for those students who need that audio support. And then I just click, for example, I'll click on this and then I'll assign the book. To remove them, I just click the X and then refresh. Um, that's basically it. It's a very, very simple website and application. Once you do get the hang of it, it's an awesome, awesome resource. Um, Honestly, this resource has saved me so many times, especially right now with distance learning. It's been reading has become a quite difficult, quite challenging for some students. But this audiobook application is absolutely incredible. Over 80,000 incredible human read audiobooks. That's another huge thing, is that these audiobooks are not read with robotic voices. They are read with real human like voices, real people in some cases. This is possibly uh, my lifesaver during this distance learning process. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, please leave a question, and I will hopefully be able to get back to you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day.